Hello, I'm Chris, and this is my buying a used TRAXXAS Nitro / video. So this was a storage locker special. You always read the description and look at the other items they have for sale. They had this posted for like 190, buy it now. $208 is what I spent on this. Freaking glow plug, awesome. So what this looks like to me is the Nitro special. You go to the RC shop, they're gonna sell you pretty much everything you need to get started. Got another one of these. Oh, look, that's always a good sign. I got a lot of these little chargers. I just sell this stuff on eBay real cheap. Oh, look, I got me a new bottle. Awesome. Damn. TQI. Love this. Does it have batteries in it? Oh my God, look. I hope this wasn't some teenager that got in trouble and their mom put their freaking Nitro car on eBay. Oh. Now let's just take a little peek at this butt. Oh, look at that sexy butt. The reason I bought this one is because it appeared to be almost brand new with a perfect body on it. Man, oh my God, this thing is like brand new. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's been run a few times. Look at this. So happy with this. These are $369 brand new. I cannot believe this. Look at this. She didn't send the gas, that's fine, but in the pictures it was halfway full. So she had it for $172, buy it now. The reason I'm showing you the fuel bottle, because obviously that's all they ran through it. So they're probably still breaking this thing in. Now we try to start this thing up. We check the electronics out. Is the engine locked up? No, it's not. The engine is free and has a lot of compression. Oh my God, look. Oh my God. That TSM. Oh my God. Ooh, glow plug's good. Ooh, it's got like dust. Oh man, look at all that stuff inside the carburetor. All right, let's put some fuel in it and try to start this thing. All right, so let's go ahead and see. Oh my gosh, she gave me a dead battery. Luckily we got these charged up. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, let's not be an idiot like last time. Put our glow plug wire back on. Moment of truth. Let's check these carburetor settings. It should have bumped. Dude, they were turned way down. Man, was somebody trying to sabotage this car? That thing was 2.5 turns out. All right, it should bump by now. What's going on? Put some down the carburetor. Okay. I've never seen one do that. Is this why they got rid of it? I close the idle gap just a little bit. Yeah, something. Okay. Makes perfect sense why they sold it. They couldn't get it running right, so let's figure out what in the world. I had one doing weird stuff like this before. In my opinion, it's acting like it's not getting fuel. Watch it actually run this time. Yep, see, it ran better once we poured fuel in it. So what it can be is the gas tank or fuel tank clogged in the bottom, like it's gummed up and not allowing that to flow. Hopefully you can see it. We're gonna prime it like we're priming it. Okay. Well, maybe that's not the problem. So we're in a Snap-on truck in my backyard, opened up with fans. So I don't think I'm doing this in the garage of the house, pouring this fuel all over the place like that. All looks good. Okay, so there you go. That's why they sold this one. Let me just keep messing with this until I find out the problem. I don't know. We're gonna have to take the engine apart, probably look in there. Maybe it's gummed up. I don't know. This thing right here is brand new. Very clean. All we can really do is put another carburetor on there and see what happens. So we took the carburetor off. I got another one, random one, cleaned it in alcohol the same way. We've got it primed. Let's see if anything changes. It has to, right? The only thing we can do next is the gas tank, the fuel tank. Oh, god dang it. Every time. What the heck? Oh. Don't celebrate too early. The glow plug is bad. Oh, hell no. Or a faulty glow plug. So every one of these videos that I upload like this, there's something in it. Are you telling me that this person got rid of this beautiful nitro slash over a faulty glow plug? This evil little guy. Evil little thing right here. We're about to find out. I took this whole freaking engine apart, everything apart with a brand new one. And remember what it came with? It came with a brand new one. I'm telling you, man, if you watch this channel, whether you like me or not, you're gonna get smarter. It tests out just fine, right? But that would make so much sense why it was dying, because I would start it up and let off of it and it would die. I keep all my plugs in here. See, I'm running low on them. We're just gonna put a completely random one in there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Get out of here. This is what this channel and my other channel, this is what we do on here. I'm not trying to show off. I'm not trying to make you like me. I don't care if you like me or not. I make these videos so that you don't make the same mistakes that I do. This is a first for me. This is like my 25th Nitro RC car that I own and gone through. First time seen a faulty glow plug. You're going to the trash. I want that thing out of my life. Another thing you got to be careful is when you have your igniter, it uses a lot of juice to turn that engine over. So you want to invest in one of these. Okay, I have a whole bunch of these. I recommend buying a brand new one. These look kind of cheesy and goofy, but you can change the battery in them or run a rechargeable battery. So I kind of started to like these, and sometimes these won't hook on some engines. And this one right here, this Team Losi one, this is my favorite one so far. This one really works. So should start right up. I'm new to this stuff, okay? I don't go through the books because I haven't bought any new ones yet, so I'm collecting books slowly. So if you think that I'm just some idiot that don't know anything, no, I just haven't read the manuals yet. I haven't had time to. I will in the cold weather. We were testing it with all the parts off of it. In other words, testing it with no load on it. And I read somewhere that these engines are not meant to be tuned or set up with no load. You have to tune them or set them up with a load. Instead of freaking out and getting mad, I just chilled out and I said, well, let me put everything back on it and then we'll test it again. And now it's like a brand new car. Oh damn, oh damn, this thing is ready to go. This is my favorite one now because I wanted to buy a nitro slash brand new, the Hawaiian body. I actually have the Hawaiian body somewhere. I know I showed it in another video, but damn, oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's kind of weird how things work out because this was the one that I was going to buy brand new if I ever did. And now I don't have to. And then this will be the body that we run. I actually like this body mainly because of the color. It's a fake one, but you can find these bodies for about $30 free shipping on eBay. You have to search and search and search. These would never pop up for like 2 months, and then all of a sudden they just started popping up. And what I like about this one a little bit, not trying to bash TRAXXAS, the fenders come out a little bit more on the back, so you can run your pro lines. The bigger tires, I know sometimes they'll rub. Not one scratch on the top of this body right here. This is beautiful. I'm gonna wait till I wash this with the water hose outside. So I'm not gonna lie, I've spent about 2 hours on this one repairing it, but now this thing is ready to go. So unfortunately, somebody had to just let their car go because they couldn't get it running right. We had major issues. It would not run at all. So let's just hear it run one time with the body on it. Is that gonna change it? Yeah. All right, well, there you go. That's freaking awesome. I love it. I'm happy. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.